Welcome to Medicap's Various Express. In today's class, we'll be dealing with a very interesting question from Conservative and Endodontics. Question was asked in the year 2024. Question says that a pregnant woman experiences pain in the maxillary first molar, which has MOD amalgam. They're talking about mesial, occlusal, and distal restoration, and that too with amalgam filling. Very important thing to note. So, patient is complaining of pain while chewing, and whenever she is releasing the bite, pain is subsiding. Tooth shows normal pulp vitality, which will rule out your other options. So you need to keep this also in mind. And normal response to cold testing. Again, important thing. Diagnose the given condition. Options given: irreversible pulpitis, cracked tooth syndrome, apical periodontitis, acute pulpitis.
Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to rule out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success.
So in cases of irreversible pulpitis, stimulus like hot, sweet, cold, all these things will initiate the pain, and pain will not subside until and unless you will take medicine. So this is ruled out. Apical periodontitis, no TOP is there, no inflamed periodontal ligament, you can say, or periodontal fibers, they are not inflamed. So this is also ruled out. Acute pulpitis is also ruled out. Patient is not giving history of any sharp pain, and normal response to cold testing is there. So acute pulpitis is ruled out. Now the correct answer is cracked tooth syndrome. Now, points in favor is large restoration. In the question, it was given MOD, amalgam restoration is there. So, in such cases, cracked tooth can happen. Second thing, patient herself is giving history that whenever she is releasing the bite, pain is subsiding. Normal pulp vitality is there, nothing is there. So, the diagnosis is cracked tooth syndrome. Initially, these cracks, they would be minor, but with the time, they'll just progress down and they'll show the frank fracture in the tooth. Here you can see the tooth. Okay, initially in minor crack, what will happen? Tooth as such is closed. Whenever the patient is biting, these enamel, they will separate apart. Odontoblastic process, they will you can say exposed to the environment, and thereby it will transfer the pain. As soon as the patient releases the bite, it will come back to its own place. That's why patient is saying that whenever she is releasing the bite, the pain subsides. That is a classic feature for this, you can say, cracked tooth syndrome. And thereby you can just check it with the help of bite test also. Individually, you need to check for every cusp, right? So coming back to our question, the correct answer is cracked tooth syndrome.